In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change dark or light mode in Notion. Switching between dark and light mode in Notion is incredibly fast, and the best part is you can do it with a single keyboard shortcut. This is perfect for adjusting your workspace to your environment, whether you are working late at night or in a bright room during the day. Here is how it works. If you are on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and L together. You'll see the interface instantly flip between dark mode and light mode. Command is the key with the face symbol, usually next to the space bar. Hold Command and Shift. Then tap L and release. That's it, no menus, no digging through settings. If you are on Windows or Linux, do the exact same motion, but with the Control key instead of Command. So press Control, Shift, and L at the same time. As soon as you do, Notion toggles themes right away. It's the same shortcut across both platforms, which makes it easy to remember. A couple of quick tips to make sure this works smoothly. First, make sure the Notion window is active when you press the keys. If another app is selected, the shortcut won't trigger in Notion. Second, press the keys together with a clean tap on L. You don't need to hold it down. If you use an external keyboard, remember that the Command key on Mac keyboards may be labeled with the face symbol or the word Command. And on Windows and Linux, you'll be using the Control key. You'll notice the change right away. The background, sidebar, and page content will shift to match the new theme. Dark mode reduces glare and can feel easier on the eyes in dim settings, while light mode can improve contrast in bright environments. Use this shortcut anytime you want. It's a true toggle, so pressing it again flips you back. If the shortcut doesn't seem to respond, try clicking anywhere inside your Notion page to bring focus to the app. Then press the keys again. Also, keep in mind that some custom keyboard remapping tools or global shortcuts from other apps can occasionally interfere. Closing those temporarily or trying the shortcut when those apps aren't active usually resolves it. That's all there is to it. On Mac, press Command, Shift, L. On Windows or Linux, press Control, Shift, L. A quick, reliable way to switch your Notion workspace between dark and light mode whenever you need it. Thanks for watching.